Hi, this is Malik. Are you looking for a professional e-commerce expert, online store, or fix your website issues? Yes, you're in the right place. I will create your professional eye-catching WordPress e-commerce website from scratch. A professional e-commerce store can double profit for your business. We can create a professional, unique, 100% responsive, all devices supported, SEO friendly, high speed optimization, multi currency, live chat integration, and high end payment gateways website just like that. On the other hand, we add a beautiful revolution slider, a feature products with unique card style layout, customer review section, subscribe from with Mailchimp connected. Also include a single products layout with some custom variations and dynamic pricing. Our goal is 100% client satisfaction and on-time delivery to maintain our 5-star rating. So let's place an order to start our journey. Until my buyer did not said it's okay, I will gonna work.